Hello everybody! We are at the PJ Masks HQ. Look at them go! But what's this? This looks like a giant Catboy surprise Play-Doh egg! What's inside? Let's take it apart and see. First we're going to take off the ears. Now let's peel off Catboy's eyebrows. Oh, he looks so funny! Now some more detail. I can't wait to get inside. Let's take off his eyes. This is so much fun. I wonder what is going to be inside our egg. Let's take it all off and see. It's a giant surprise egg. I think I can see some of the things already. What is inside? Oh, it's Catboy. Catboy is the leader of the PJ Masks. He has super speed and cat-like hearing. Look at his cattail go. Boink! What else do we have in our surprise egg? It's Owlette. Owlette can fly, and she has great eyesight with her owl eyes. Go, Owlette, go! Girl power. Zoom! Swish! PJ Masks are here to save the day. What else do we have? We have Owlette in the owl glider. This is her vehicle. It flies. Just like her. Zoom! Go, Owlette! There are a few more things inside our toy surprise egg. What have we got? We've got Catboy in the cat car. He looks super in control. His car is really fast and has super cat speed, of course. Looking good, Catboy. Zoom! Watch him go! These are so much fun to play with. But there's one more thing in our egg. It's Gekko in the Gekko-mobile. He looks great. Gekko is super strong. Doesn't his Gekko-mobile look awesome? It's got a little tail. So much fun! Let's watch him go, go, go! Zoom! Whoosh! Hello, Catboy! Should we go and save the day? I think so, Owlette. Owlette's ready to go. She's flying. And here they are, in their cars! Zoom! They are super fast! On your marks, get set, go! Who's gonna win the race? Oh no! Off they go together! And there you have it! That was super fun! A giant Catboy egg. Thanks for watching, everybody!